Hello, my name is Harshvardhan. I'm a full stack web developer with 5.4 years of IT professional experience. Currently, I'm a full stack web developer with social seller technology, where I build and maintain end-to-end web applications. On the back end, I primarily work with Python and C++ to develop RESTful APIs, handle authentications, and integrate databases like PostgreSQL and MongoDB. On the front end, I use React.js to build reusable components and integrate backend APIs. Prior to this, I worked as a software engineer L2 at Justdial, where I was involved in developing scalable backend services and improving existing features. Before that, I worked as a software engineer at Wipro, which gave me a strong foundation in software engineering practices and enterprise system. And I started my career as a full stack developer as at Zinota Software Division. Overall, I'm comfortable working across complete development lifecycle and requirement understanding and development to deployment. And I focus on writing clean, maintainable, and scalable code. Currently, I'm strengthening my skills in backend architecture and performance optimizations. Thank you.